In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 bonus types that make people want to buy now. On this channel, I've talked a lot about bonuses, and I was like, I've done enough videos, I don't need to do any more. But the truth is, bonuses are the lifeblood of an affiliate marketer, or even someone who's creating their own product. Like, this is so unbelievably important that we want to create this feel. Well, I'm going to specifically be talking to affiliates, but obviously all of this applies to any kind of bonuses you're creating for your own product or other people's. But for an affiliate marketer, you need to create so much value in your bonuses that people would buy the thing just for your bonuses. I've had that happen before many times where people will come to me, hey, can I purchase this separately? No, the only way you can get access to this is by purchasing this thing. So I want to break down what are the types of bonuses you can and should be offering. We have a lot of other videos on the channel that if this is a good topic that you need to learn more about, there's a lot of videos for you. Some of my like fundamental ones all the way back to my bonus strategy here. The bonus builder review, the bonus system going right here. A few like niche things about high converting bonuses, bonus stacking. I've talked a lot about this. So I want to hit a different angle. I've also gone through this document ad nauseum, going through all my bonuses, the categories, the deliverables, what they actually are. Check the other videos for that. I want to specifically talk more about the types of bonuses and how you should be thinking about them. So what are the 5 types of bonuses that make people buy now? When we're thinking about bonuses, this is what we need to be thinking through. Bonuses should do one or more of these things. It should help them achieve the result faster. It should make it easier to achieve that result. It should make it cheaper to achieve that result, or it should result in a higher likelihood of success. Now, this is why I added kind of this right here as like a +1, but bonuses have to be specific. That's why I talk a lot about this, and the link's in the description if you want to go watch the review on this. It's called BonusBuilder AI, that makes it specifically for the offer you're promoting. I love this because we promote a lot of stuff, and I can crank out bonus pages just like this and bonuses in minutes. Crazy. Go watch that. That link's in the description. But this is incredibly important that you are doing unique offers per promotion, because like people feel it if you just throw a bunch of crap together. That might have worked 10, 15 years ago. People want specific bonuses that are going to help them achieve the desired result of the thing they're buying. It doesn't matter the industry. Doesn't matter if it's fitness. Doesn't matter if it's relationships. Doesn't matter if it's make money online. None of that matters. They need bonuses that actually help them achieve the result faster, achieve it easier, achieve it cheaper, or give you a perceived higher likelihood of success. In this sense is actually really important, even though it sounds really bad. I'll explain it. Perception actually matters more than reality at first, right? And I say at first because once they've bought bonuses or bought your affiliate offers before and experienced your bonuses and they know that they're legitimate, then it matters more that they actually do the thing. Early on, they just have to believe it does the thing. So let me break this down a little bit easier. The first time they ever come across your content and you offer them bonuses and you say, this bonus is going to help you achieve X result faster, here's how much faster. And then they get the product and they actually achieve the result faster than expected. Perfect. Next time they're going to believe you. If they don't, then they're not going to buy from you again, right? So it doesn't actually matter if your bonus, it does. This is like the hard part to like distinguish between. It doesn't, in the marketing, in the convincing them to make the purchase, it doesn't matter if your bonus actually does it faster. It just matters that they believe it does it faster. Now, once they buy it, it does need to do it faster, right? So we're talking about the front end marketing. Like, are they going to purchase your thing? Well, they have to believe that it's actually going to get that desired result faster. And then if they're ever going to purchase from you again, it actually has to do what you promise it does. I hope that makes sense, the distinguishing between the perception before they buy from you and then the reality after they buy from you. They have to believe. You have to market it and explain it in such a way that they actually believe it is going to help them accomplish the desired result before they get it. And then obviously you want to fulfill on that. So let's go over the 5 types of bonuses that make people buy literally right now. Number 1, it's coaching community. So I actually put a lot more than 5 because these should be 2 separate ones, to be honest. Coaching is one of, if not the highest form of bonuses. So I've done both of these. I primarily run a coaching program now. We charge a lot of money for coaching, so I don't do this as much as I used to. But early on, access to you is one of the most valuable things you can give somebody if you have value to give them, right? That's the obvious caveat. If you can't actually help them, then it's not anything good. Or a community where they can be around other people trying to achieve the same result. This becomes, I don't see personally, I don't love communities. And I say that on the buyer side. I've never gone into a community and felt like it actually helped me do any of these. This is actually a perfect example. I feel like it slows you down because you have conversations with people. It can occasionally make it easier. Doesn't make it cheaper. I think it makes people feel good. I just to be honest, and this is just maybe my perception, but I feel like communities make people feel better because they don't feel like they're doing it alone, but then they waste so much time in the community that they actually don't go do the thing. That's not everybody, but I've seen that happen so many times. But it's a fact that, first of all, coaching is like the best bonus you can offer somebody, whether you want to do that over email, whether you want to do that over Zoom calls, phone calls, whatever you want that to be. And then another great one is communities. Next is any kind of service that you can offer. So I'm actually going to link that with this one, I believe it is, done for you. Anything that you can do for them that they don't have to do themselves is a massive win. So what I did this for a bonus recently. I don't remember what I remember. Well, this isn't the best example. What was it? It was a pay-per-call program where I told them I would do 5 to 10 graphics, 5 or 10. I don't remember how many graphics for them if they signed up through my link. So that way, like, I am literally, you're going to come to me and tell me what offer you're promoting. I'm going to make the graphic for you and give it to you so you don't have to do it, right? So these two kind of get interlinked because of that. It is a service, but done for you. I mean, this comes down to product creation too. Done for you is the highest level. Done with you is the next. Done by yourself is the third, right? So bottom level is usually like an ebook that gives you the information but doesn't really help you. Done with you is usually more like a video course where you walk someone through click by click how to do it. And then done for you is actually accomplishing the thing for them. So if you can incorporate any of this, done for you graphics, done for you ads, done for you whatever, this is always a really good win, or any kind of service that you can provide them. I'm trying to think of a good offer we've promoted recently. Let me grab one. Here's one. We are going to be making a video about this soon. Thumb Magic. So it helps create thumbnails using AI. So you could do a service. This would fall a little more under done for you, is we'll do the first 5 for you or something. Do the first 5 for your channel, or a service could be an audit of your channel. Like, okay, what could you do on your channel? Like if you've gotten this product, it's for your thumbnails, which means you're trying to grow on YouTube. Let us do a service, which is a free audit of your YouTube channel, because maybe click-through rate isn't the only issue. We can identify other things on your channel that you could improve and will make your channel better. So that's a really good one. Next, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure to grab the link in the description, which is a free training to hit consistent 10K months online in your business. If you're not already hitting 10K, consistent 10K months, I would love to personally work with you. You can schedule the call down below. You and I can hop on a call. We can talk about your business and see if it's a good fit for us to work together to get you to consistent 10K months. The next kind of bonus is training or strategy sessions. So I utilize these a lot. Now, I have purchased access to a lot of courses that I then have the right to give away. Obviously, you have to make sure you have the right when you purchase them. It's not like I bought it, now I can give it away anytime I want. But I love buying access to courses that I can then give away. I also love doing strategy sessions via Loom video. So I'll do a lot of these where I'll walk them through exactly how I would do it, or how I am doing it, or how my team is doing it. And these strategy sessions kind of frame, it basically takes the knowledge of what they're getting and puts it into a very tangible way to execute on that plan. So there's a lot of different ways I do that, but I love strategy session, Loom video type things. I guess I just didn't throw that one over there. There we go. Now, I added this one. This one's not quite fair because it is one of the best things if you're able to give it. I think it really needs to be a big promotion because I don't like bad software. Bad software is one of the worst things you can give. Good software is one of the best things you can give. There are options to do this with like Go High Level where you can give out sub accounts for free. I don't love that because then you end up offering support, which is miserable, and then they have a bad experience and you have a bad experience, and it's just not fun. So exclusive software is an option. I wanted to mention it because I think it is one of the best things if you can do it well, but for most people, it's not going to apply. So I threw this one in. Templates is a great one for a lot of people. So let me think again of another promotion we've done recently. I don't think we added this in, but this would have been a good one. There's a product, called 500 a pop, which is creating AI websites. So what we could have done is templates for like prompts. This is actually a really big one right now. Templates, very similar to things like prompts. Templates are really good for graphics. Templates are really good. If you're doing anything with Notion templates are great. There's so many good ones when it comes to templates. Basically, it's just things that like they are going to have to go out and create to accomplish the result. And again, if we create it faster, if we create it and give it to them, it makes the process faster because they don't have to create it themselves. It makes it easier because now they don't have to learn another thing and go do another thing, create that template. They can do it maybe cheaper because maybe they would go out and hire somebody on Fiverr to do it for them. And it makes the higher likelihood of success because this is something they're going to have to create. And now it's already created by someone who knows what they're doing. So these are probably the 5 core along with software, that down here too. And then we want to make sure we're adding specific bonuses for the specific offer. If you can touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those 5 bonuses in any bonus package, you are going to convert people on your offer as long as you do it at a high level. These 5 stacked together will crush every affiliate promotion without a doubt. Make sure to go check out some of the other videos I've done on bonus promos. Also, make sure to check out this page, link in the description. This is a phenomenal software I've been using to create a lot of really good high quality bonuses fast, and it creates this bonus page in like 2 clicks. There's a full review video on it, and then if you decide to purchase it, you just click that button right there, and it'll take you to BonusBuilder AI, and you'll get all my bonuses. All you have to do is email me at info@jakethornhill.com once you complete your purchase, and you'll get those bonuses for free. Again, all that is covered in this review video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I freaking love bonuses. I love doing more videos about this, and I'm more than happy to help you in any way I can. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again very soon on the next video.